Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Raffi Nabhan. I'm from class 2A. In here, I'm going to explain software and operating system and hardware. In first thing, I'm going to explain what is software and operating system. Software is a set of instructions and data that make a computer work, and operating system or OS, the most important software that connect user, application, and hardware. And role of OS itself is to manage memory, files, input or output device, provide a platform for all other application to run. OS example is like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Software is divided into two parts. One is system software that manage and control hardware and provide an environment for application to run. Example of OS itself is like Windows, Linux, and many other things. Second thing is application software. It's used directly by user to perform specific tasks such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Chrome, games, Photoshop, and many other things. Main function of OS itself is to execute and manage programs and manage memory and storage, and then to control hardware such as keyboard, mouse, printer, and many other things. And last thing is to provide user interface or GUI or command line. And then we came to hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is the physical component of a computer that can be seen and taught. Example of hardware is like CPU, a processor, a RAM, a hard disk, a monitor, keyboard, mouse, motherboard, and many other things. And then role of hardware. Role of hardware itself is to execute instructions from software. Without hardware, software cannot run. And the next, the relationship with software and OS. OS and software give instruction to hardware, and hardware itself carries out this instruction to. An example, when you click, like the mouse is the hardware thing, and the OS, the operating system, process it and display the result on the monitor. And fun fact about hardware: hardware is silent. It cannot think, cannot feel, cannot move on its own, but when software gives its instructions, hardware can create art, music, designs, and even send humans to outer space. And hardware without software is like a piano without a pianist. It can produce sound, but it will never become a symphony. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Sorry if I have many mistakes. I'm still learning. Maybe that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.